So in part A here we need to work out what the first term is. So u1 would equal 2 times 1 squared take 1 over 3 times 1 squared plus 2. So the first term would be 1 over 5. The second term would be 2 times 2 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4, so 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1. And the denominator will be 3 times 2 squared, so 3 times 4, 12 plus 2. So that would give us 7 over 14 or a half. So the difference between those two is 1/2 take 1/5, which is 5/10 take 2/10, which leads us to the answer suggested. Part A done. For part B, to show that it's got a limiting value, we replace n with a very large quantity. Now, if I replace n with a very large quantity, the -1 on the numerator is negligible. Again, you could try this by putting large values of n in, and you would see that 2 times that large value squared. When you -1, the -1 makes very little difference. In other words, the numerator is approximately 2n squared when I put a large number in. Likewise, the denominator would be 3n squared. The +2 would be negligible on the denominator. The n squared on the top and the n squared on the bottom cancel when n is a large quantity, which tells us that the sequence will be limiting towards the value 2/3.